Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Hopefully, you are doing perfectly fine. In my last video, I was explaining to you how we can calculate value for any variable if we are using multiply equations, if we are using division equations, plus equations, or subtraction equations. But right now, I will write some equations from the word problems. Then we will also solve for finding or getting or calculating value for the variable. And these our word problems will be related with addition and also some of with multiplications. Let's try it that how we can write them. Let's try it, then solve it. We have one question here. What is the question? Terry has some amount or some money in her purse. Okay, she already have some money in her purse. She borrowed $3 from her sister and $2 from her best friend. So it's mean Terry buy how many dollars? Borrow 3 plus 2 equal $5. She already buy it. Borrow it, sorry. And she want to buy what kind of the food? She want to buy turkey sab. Turkey sab is how much? $8.95. So it's mean what we need no change given. How much did she have before? We need to find out how much money she already have in her purse. Okay, we have she is going to buy this. She need to pay this. She already take from this, so I will minus from here. What will be answer here down? It's means that will she will pay from her pocket. I will write here minus. But my aim is not to write only minus. My aim is to write the equation. What is here? Minus. So what is the opposite of the minus? So plus. I will write here plus. So 5. What variable we can use? P. What I am doing here plus. What is the opposite of the plus? Minus. I write here minus. Other side I already write here minus. Same name. I cross this because if plus they are inverse to each other and inverse always crossed with each other. What left there? P equal 5, 9, 3. So it's mean she already have in her purse how many dollars? $3.95. Let's see someone else example to make it sure that we understand. For example, I want to use this example. In this example, let's read it first. Scenario buys a ham. So what is ham sub price? Here is. So I write here equal. I write here the price of the ham sub $7.50. He has 3.80 in cash. Okay. He will pay in the cash of pay. When you are talking about the pay, it's mean you are talking about the minus. He uses his debit card also to pay the remaining amount. But we don't know how much he paid from the debit card. Calculate the amount for that scenario paid by his debit card. So if we will minus 3.80 from 7.50, what will be answer? It means that he is paying from the debit card. But our aim is not to write only minus. Our aim is to write the equation. What I wrote here? Minus. What is the opposite of the minus? Plus. What is here? 3.80. What variable we are using for debit card? Paying for debit card? D. What is the opposite of the plus? Minus 3.80. I crossed this. They are inverse to each other. So what left here? D equal. 0 minus 0 equal 0. I take borrow because 5 is less than 8. What left here? 6. Take borrow 15. 15, I cross this. I will write here 15. 15 minus 8 equal 7. 6 minus 3 equal 3. So it's mean Scenario is paying from his debit card how many dollars? $3.70. If you want to use this way, you can also use this way. If you want to use the other way, how much we are doing plus 3 points? 7.80. Total amount for the HAMSAP 7.50. I write here same amount 3.80. What is the opposite of the plus? Minus. 3.80 equal 7.50. Here I wrote minus, so I will write here 3.80. I will cross inverse. What left here? D. If I will minus this amount from this amount, as I minus it here, it will give you 3.70. So this is all about for today, that how we can write equations from the word problem, then how we can also calculate the value for any kind of the variable. Thank you very much. See you again. Try to watch the video, try to share the video, try to subscribe the channel.